Today we are going to take some time to learn about spill response. Each employee is expected to make every reasonable effort to prevent spills. Proper care, maintenance, and inspection are key elements of an effective prevention effort. This means that time you find wear and tear, breakage, or malfunctions of equipment or machinery, it should be reported immediately to a supervisor. If spills do occur, the level of response required will depend on the quantity, type of material spilled, and the general characteristics of the surrounding environment. Employees must be prepared to address the spills that may occur. To respond to the spills of our heavy class trucks have been outfitted with spill kits. These slim profile kits are specially designed to stow away in the truck either behind the seat or in between the driver and passenger seat. Inside each kit, you will find an assortment of items including absorbent pads, socks, and a drain cover, protective gloves, and 2 disposal bags. You will also find a laminated page with step-by-step procedures on how to respond to a spill. So how do we use these items?
The first step when you find a spill is to take the proper safety precautions. This means identifying the source and the material that is spilled. Make sure to use appropriate personal protective equipment at all times. The second step is to contain the spill. In the case of a small spill, this may mean simply using the absorbent pads to absorb all of the spilled material. For small spills, the third step will be simply to notify dispatch. Every spill must be reported regardless of the size. If the spill isn't manageable, then dispatch or supervisor will provide instructions on how to proceed. In the case of a larger spill, or in the event where it may go into the sewer or waterway, we'll use a drain cover, and then followed by the absorbent socks to contain the spill, and finally the absorbent pads to absorb any of the spilled material. The final step is to dispose the waste properly. Inside each spill kit are disposal bags. Simply put the used absorbent pads or soiled socks into those, bring them back to the yard where they'll be disposed of correctly. In addition to the procedures in each spill kit, you've been provided today with a complete set of safety procedures that include general safety guidelines. If at any time you're unsure of how to respond or are unfamiliar with the precautions necessary to handle material, then please contact dispatch or your immediate supervisor. If we follow these procedures, we believe it's possible for all employees to remain safe.